Welcome to the White Coat Guide, presented by Dr. Shanza Jabin. If you're a medical student overwhelmed by exams, you're in the right place. Today, I'll break down proven, science-backed strategies to help you study smarter, reduce stress, and boost your performance. Let's dive in. Before you start studying, investigate your exam. Know the question types, MCQs, essays, or short answers, and tailor your prep accordingly. Analyze the syllabus and past papers to spot high-weight topics. Focus your time where it matters most. Understanding the pattern gives you a clear roadmap and reduces anxiety. Preparation becomes targeted and efficient. Don't try to memorize every word. Focus on high-yield topics. Use active learning. After studying, explain concepts out loud or write summaries from memory. Practice active recall and spaced repetition to move information into long-term memory. Prioritize clinical correlations, key definitions, and diagrams. Use question banks to identify what's most examinable. This targeted approach deepens understanding and saves time. Walk into your exams prepared, not overwhelmed. Your notes should be concise, exam-focused, and easy to revise. Don't copy textbooks. Summarize key facts in bullet points. Use flowcharts, diagrams, and mnemonics to simplify complex topics. Create summary sheets for each subject with only the highest yield information. These quick reference notes are lifesavers during last-minute revision. Visual aids and mnemonics boost recall under pressure. Make your notes your personal study toolkit. Avoid mental fatigue by rotating 2 to 3 subjects in each study session. Study anatomy, then switch to physiology, then biochemistry. Keep your brain engaged. This variety prevents burnout and improves retention. Switching subjects acts as a mental reset and strengthens memory. You'll stay focused longer and remember more. Make subject rotation a core part of your routine. Past papers are your secret weapon. They reveal question patterns, marking schemes, and high-yield topics. Actively solve them under timed, exam-like conditions. This builds speed, confidence, and time management. You'll spot recurring themes and know exactly what examiners want. Each practice session makes the real exam feel familiar. Don't just study, train for the test. Study for 50 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. This boosts focus and prevents burnout. Use breaks to stretch, hydrate, or walk. Avoid screens. Regular breaks help your brain consolidate information. Turn long study marathons into productive sprints. Work with your brain's natural rhythms for better results. Always ask, why does this matter clinically? Link basic science concepts to real patient scenarios. Relate drugs, pathways, and anatomy to actual cases. This makes learning meaningful and memorable. You're not just studying for exams, you're preparing to treat patients. Don't sacrifice your health for study time. Prioritize sleep. Your brain needs it to consolidate memories. Stay hydrated and eat balanced meals for optimal focus. Keep your study space tidy to reduce stress. Incorporate light exercise to boost mood and brain power. A healthy mind and body learn faster and perform better. Self-care is a study strategy, not a luxury. Medical exams are tough, but the right strategies make all the difference. Be intentional, efficient, and consistent. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Start with 1 or 2 new habits and build from there. These tips will boost your confidence and results. You're on an incredible journey. Every challenge makes you a better doctor. Like, share, and subscribe for more tips from the White Coat Guide. Let me know in the comments which strategy you'll try first.